This is Pakistan Affair MCQ series episode 8 part 1. This series is specifically designed to cover the whole syllabus of CSS and PMS, so you can cover the MCQs part of CSS and PMS from this series, and these MCQs will also help you in any other job exams like NTS and any other public service commission exams. So stay tuned with this channel because a lot more is yet to come. And in this video we are going to cover the Muslim religious and mystical moments in South Asia, and this is the part 1. We will cover MCQs on the Data Ganj Bakhsh alias Ali Hajweri. First MCQ is Ali Hajweri is commonly known as, options are Ganj Shakar, Bulle Shah, Data Ganj Bakhsh, none of these. So the correct option here is Data Ganj Bakhsh. Ali Hajweri is commonly known as Data Ganj Bakhsh. Ali Hajweri is a great Muslim scholar. Options are Sufi, social worker, teacher, none of these. So the correct option here is none of these. He belongs to which school of thought? Options are Hanafi Sufi, Shafi, Maliki, none of these. So the correct option here is Hanafi Sufi. So he belonged to the school of thoughts of Hanafi. Guys, I'm just repeating each MCQs as I told you before so that you can memorize each MCQs all at once and you will not need to revise it again and again. And if there are some difficult MCQs like options on date and year, so you can just watch that video again, but there are few of such videos which are a little bit difficult, but this one is easy. Fourth MCQ is Ali Hajweri was a Persian Sufi and scholar of, options are 12th century, 11th century, 10th century, none of these. So the correct option here is 11th century. Ali Hajweri was a Persian Sufi and scholar of 11th century. He contributed to the spreading of Islam in, options are East Asia, America, South Asia, Europe. So the correct option here is South Asia. He contributed to the spreading of Islam in South Asia. He was born in 1990 AD in, options are Kabul, Delhi, Lahore, Ghazni. So the correct option here is Ghazni. He was born in 1990 AD in Ghazni. He died during reign of Ghazni Empire in 1077 AD in, options are Ghazni, Kabul, Lahore, Delhi. So the correct option here is Lahore. He died during the reign of Ghazni Empire in 1077 AD in Lahore. His most famous work is, options are Nature of Islam, Islamic Studies, Kashf al-Mahjoob, none of these. So the correct option here is Kashf al-Mahjoob. His most famous work is Kashf al-Mahjoob. Kashf al-Mahjoob is one of the earliest and most repeated treatises on, options are Quran, Babur, Sufism, Humayun. So the correct option here is Sufism. Kashf al-Mahjoob is one of the earliest and most repeated treatises on Sufism. Data Ganj Bakhsh entered the Sufi path after spending many years to, options are Iran, Iraq, Syria, all of them. So the correct option here is all of them. Data Ganj Bakhsh entered the Sufi path after spending many years to all of these countries, Iran, Iraq and Syria. He studied Sufism under Abul Fazl Muhammad al-Hasan al-Kotali, through whom he is spiritually connected with. Options are Abdul Qadir Jilani, Baba Farid, Junaid Baghdadi, none of them. So the correct option here is Junaid Baghdadi. He studied Sufism under Abul Fazl Muhammad al-Hasan al-Kotali, through whom he is spiritually connected with Junaid Baghdadi. He belonged to the Junaidiya school of Sufism founded by, options are Abdul Qadir Jilani, Baba Farid, Junaid Baghdadi, none of them. So the correct option here is Junaid Baghdadi. He belonged to the Junaidiya school of Sufism which is founded by Junaid Baghdadi. Mainuddin Chishti Ajmeri, a chief saint of the Chishti Silsila, stated that One who does not have a murshid should read Ali Hajweri's book. Options are Islamic Thought, Kitab al-Iman, Kashf al-Majoob, none of them. So the correct option here is Kashf al-Majoob. So Mainuddin Chashme Ajmeri, a chief saint of the Chishti Silsila, stated that one who does not have a murshid should read the Ali Hajweri's book of Kashf al-Majoob. He campaigned against the doctrine that human personalities can be merged with. Options are Islam, God, Quran, none of them. So the correct option here is God. He campaigned against the doctrine that human personalities can be merged with God. He was also a great upholder of. Options are Quran, Muslims, Sharia, none of them. So the correct option here is Sharia. He was also a great upholder of Sharia. Upon arriving in the subcontinent, Mainuddin Chishti first came to Lahore to pay respect to. Options are Baba Farid, Data Ganj Bakhsh, Bulle Shah, none of them. So the correct option here is Data Ganj Bakhsh. Upon arriving in the subcontinent, Mainuddin Chishti first came to Lahore to pay respect to Data Ganj Bakhsh. So these are few of the questions, guys, to test yourself. So you can just pause the video here and solve these questions and compare your answer with the answers given in the comment. So just pause the video and solve these questions. Thank you.